What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. We've got an interesting stock today. This is a viewer requested stock. I had a brief moment to just scroll down and look at a couple things. Um, so this will be a very fun company to look at. For a pattern, I'm definitely seeing a cup and handle. We have the left side of our cup here, and you can see our candles are about 896, with our right side candle being about 939. And then we have our handle being potentially built here. We can see a pretty steep sell-off, almost 50%. So we're going to see what's going on here after you hit the subscribe button, baby. Okay. And we're also going to do our stock price projection calculation. We'll do some advanced charting as well. I've only done this one on FinViz. Interesting. Left, right. Very interesting. They've been paying dividend for a while, and that's going to be importante. So, I had charted this out. The stock has fallen through our resistance here. It held up one candle, two candles, and then it just said, peace out, going down. So looking again at the bigger picture, our strength is heading down at the moment. Momentum heading down as well. Money flow crescendoing. Can't really tell if it's going to go down or if it's kind of making a U. Our relative momentum indicator was very high. It took a leg down. You can see it taking a leg down rather than like a drop off a cliff. So overall, this is with the Bears at the moment. I mean, if I had to spitball a level to watch, I'm not there yet. I'll let you know. We'll get to that in a minute. Going down here. So, just looking here, they are not profitable. They offer a 6.8% dividend. That is beautiful, by all means. Quick ratio is not shown. That's a little bit of a beige flag. Our debt, this is insane. Look at their debt and then their long-term debt. So this, you guys can see, yeah, this basically indicates they have a crap ton of debt, but they're addressing it. They're addressing half of it. So this is going to be very interesting to see down below. Earnings per share over the past 5 years, negative 277%, sales negative 9%. This is a mortgage financing company. Gross margins 88%. Water, baby. They're not profitable, barely, not even 1%. They're less than 1% profitable. So overall, not bad. Insiders have 27%. They're selling a little bit. Institutions own 43, but they're buying a little bit. We'll validate that. Again, that's insane. 88% gross margins. Quite a bit of shares outstanding. 2024, you can see, well, 2023, they had 93 million shares available. 2024, 157. So more shares were added to the pool, making your shares worth less. I wonder if that's what had to do with this move in October. Let's see if we can find the headline. October. We're going to open this article because I want to see. Yeah, they did an offering in December, due in 2030. Okay. Crazy, crazy money. Loan origination was 39 billion, 26 billion was purchase volume. So what was the red flag here? Hmm. What was the red flag? Trying to just skim through it. Outlook. Here we go. 10 cents per share. Crazy. Oh, okay. Fourth quarter to be 34 to 41. And they had done 39. Mm, so they might not do as hot as they did, is what I'm getting out of that. Again, there are people who know this company like the back of their hand and they can go into great detail. Usually the chart tells us everything we need to know. So, what did I just see? Meet Kevin purchased some of this. Okay. Anyway, cup and handle, I see that. This looks absolutely insane. So we're gonna go ahead and just plug everything in and see what we get here. So the market cap is 9,590,000. Income is negative 21,590,000. And sales is 2,700,000,000. Crazy. All right. This stock is cheap. If you're someone who likes to just look at one piece of data point and determine if a company is cheap or expensive, we're seeing cheap here. But Finviz is also saying it's not recommended. It's a 3, which is a hold, basically. 1 is buy, 5 is sell, 3 is hold. Interesting. Very, very interesting. Okay, we're on the quarterly income. Q3 2024, we did 972. Ooh, but look at that. Wait. Did I miss something on FactSet? I did not. Okay. It was not showing. Okay. Q3 gross profit of 662 compared to Q3 of 514 last year. Revenue crushed it. They spent a little bit more than they did. Q2 71 million compared to 55. Gross profits eked out a little bit. Q1 214. Okay, so they are improving their gross profits. That's all I wanted to see, baby. Cash 636 million. 636 million, 330,000. Debt 11 billion. 890 million. 666. I think I need one more zero. Shoot. One more zero. Okay. Wow. Okay. Total assets 15,118,000,000. Total liabilities 15 billion. Woo. That is very slim. They have $119 million of buffer before liabilities exceed assets. When liabilities exceed assets, the B word gets thrown in. Bankruptcy. So very, very slim pickings there. The quarter before was 100 and what was it? 12,808. It was 113 million. Let's go back to FactSet for a second. Just for a second. This data is showing much more, 12 billion. We'll stick with routers since that's what we based it off of. Not much, there's not even really a change. Their debt is actually getting worse. So let's look at it from an annual perspective. From an annual perspective, okay, but they had debt of 11 billion. So anyway, very, very risky. The president and CEO selling everything he can. Wow, okay. Um, Crazy. Okay. What's the there's no expense on this one? No. Okay. Interesting. Okay, so with that, let's take our shares outstanding 157,910,000. This gives us a stock price of $6.42. Analysts have it at 730 right here. I mean, it's undervalued for sure. Uh, this is just crazy. This is definitely something I would consider getting into personally, just because this pattern, left handle, right handle. Let's run our cup and handle projection really quick. We're gonna need to bust out. Let's bust out. Let's just do it on the. Okay. Okay, we got our cup, L cup. This left side of the cup is gonna be 889. 8.89. Right side of the cup is, we're gonna call it 943. Okay, and then we're gonna do equals this plus this divided by 2. And we want to see 1361 is our cup length, or our cup height, sorry. So now we have to take our cup height minus our cup low, which was the low of 284. So 2.84 equals this minus this. $11. So now we're going to take equals our cup height plus that differential. $24 price target. If this cup and handle does come to fruition, and we should see a reversal in the next 2 to 3 months, and that is going to look like a throwback candle where it will look like this candle basically, but it'll go like this, and then we'll have some resistance here at 669, 665. Has this stock ever gotten to 20? No. So this could be a very huge play. Could be. Okay. So again, my price target was $6. Cup and handle price target is 24. Wait, how does that make sense? I messed something up. Left side of the cup, right side of the cup. So I added them and divided by 2. Right. I think. Silly, silly goose. Math. Okay, a $15 price target. That makes more sense. That puts us right above where all-time highs were before. Okay, so my price target originally of 642. I think this is worth getting into potentially. You guys let me know. If that is the case where we see a crazy potential rush into this stock, institutions should own more than 43%, right? Right? Drum roll. As of today, there is. Did you just see what I saw? Took my breath away first time I saw it. 50.77%, up about 6.74% there. What the heck's going on here, dog? Oh, my master sheet. That's right. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. How much did Meet Kevin take in? Garvin. Meet Kevin. He purchased 441,000 shares. Wow. That's a lot. Okay. I wonder if Ross Gerber's in this, his buddy. Gerber. Kawasaki. Nope. Renaissance Technologies. Oh, of course they are. They're always early. They're always early, and yeah. So I really like this. I really, really like this. 6% dividend is huge. Uh, this could be a beautiful reversal here. So hold on to your horses. Rates are going down. Mortgage rates, well, rates in general, and then that should bring mortgage rates down. Um, invest at your own risk. It went down 50% and almost 50% in 3 months. So check yourself before you wreck yourself. I think this is a good area to get in. The next watch January, watch capitulation candle. I'm gonna be watching that like a hawk, baby. And we're gonna go here. Okay. All right, now we're looking at our advanced charting. Let's see if I can find an exacto mundo. That's gonna be, yep. And then we're gonna go here. I think right there. So if we do see a capitulation candle, in my opinion, when the market just takes a poop one day, we could see $5.05, $5.07, whatever. But watch for that freaking reversal. We see volume going down like this. If we have that capitulation candle and people jump the heck in, we're going to close the month of January over $6 and probably be heading much higher. Um, let's keep this. Let's do this. We got a good channel here, right there. So we'll see a reversal to 6, and then I mean, I said 15. Well, the cup and handle 15. We'll see what happens. This could be worth holding long term just because that 6% dividend is beautiful. So absolutely wonderful opportunity here, in my opinion. Let's see if we can snipe this. Oh yeah, a throwback candle right here with a reversal. That is gonna be what's on the screen. Okay, my bad. That is gonna be fantastic. Here's the different levels we're gonna have some heartburn on. It'll be there. Whoops. There. There. Here. Here. Can I undo that one? Right there. Okay. Heartburn level, not heartburn, just like it's gonna be the best thing about investing, honestly, is when your stock does go up, your asset, it starts to get through all these different levels. You start to feel so much better once it makes it out the woods. Um, then we've got that, and then honestly, we've got some turbulence there, 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 and let's call there. All right, so this is very ugly, but essentially our levels of resistance. Um, again, we're just watching the cup and handle. I think this gets back to, if it does do a true cup and handle, this should be over 10. I would say it could get over $8 before 2025 ends. That's being conservative. If we do see cup and handle, it's not guaranteed. Nothing is ever guaranteed. If it was, we would all not be here. So anyway, that's my prediction. We need to see a cup and handle form. The company's looking decent. The assets to liabilities are a little concerning, although they are improving quarter over quarter. If you made it this far, consider engaging with my channel. Give me a like or a thumbs up. Those are the same thing. Comment or subscribe. Take care. Have a great week. Have a great year. Adios.